Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an honest, beginner-friendly review of Webull, breaking down the real pros, the real cons, and whether this platform is actually worth your time. Webull has become super popular because it offers modern charts, zero-commission trading, and a sleek interface. But if you're completely new to investing, there are a few things you should know before jumping in. So let's walk through exactly what stands out, what's not so great, and who Webull is truly designed for. First, let's talk about the pros. One of the biggest strengths of Webull is how much advanced data it gives you for free. You get customizable charts, tons of indicators, drawing tools, level 2 data during trial periods, and a layout that looks more like professional trading software than a basic investing app. For beginners who want to learn technical analysis or simply understand price movement better, this is a huge advantage because you're exposed to tools that many brokers charge for. Another major pro is the clean, modern interface. Everything feels fast, smooth, and visually clear, so even if you've never traded before, the experience feels less intimidating than traditional broker platforms. Another big benefit is that Webull supports trading stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto, all within the same app. If you're experimenting and trying to learn different asset types, Webull makes it simple to switch between them. And of course, zero commission trades mean you're not paying fees every time you buy or sell. For small accounts, beginners, or anyone dollar cost averaging, avoiding fees is a huge advantage. Webull also has an incredibly useful paper trading feature, letting you practice trading with fake money before risking real cash. This is especially helpful if you're brand new and want to test strategies without stress. Now let's talk about the cons, because Webull definitely has a few things beginners should keep in mind. First, despite its clean design, Webull is much more complex than apps like Robinhood or SoFi. There are buttons, charts, and data everywhere, and that can overwhelm someone who just wants to buy a simple stock. The features are powerful, but the learning curve is real. Another downside is that Webull doesn't offer mutual funds or bonds, so if you're looking for long-term diversification outside of stocks and ETFs, you'll feel limited. It's much more of a trader's platform than a traditional retirement-focused brokerage. Customer service is another weak spot. Support is mostly through email, which can be slow, and there's no reliable live chat for quick help. For beginners who might need guidance, this can be frustrating. Webull also has no automatic dividend reinvestment unless you manually enable it, and even then, the feature can feel clunky compared to other platforms. And while crypto trading is available, transfers can be limited depending on the asset, which may bother users who want full control of their coins. So who is Webull actually best for? If you're a beginner who wants to grow into a more advanced investor, Webull is a great fit. The tools you get for free are incredible for learning technical analysis, studying market trends, and understanding how stock prices move. If you're interested in options, Webull offers a cleaner interface than many competitors. And if you like having crypto, stocks, and ETFs in one place, it delivers that convenience. But if you want a simple, long-term investing experience, or if you want strong customer support and a more hand-holding style platform, then Webull might feel overwhelming. It's not really built for people who want a completely passive approach. Overall, Webull is a fantastic platform for beginners who want to take investing seriously and eventually build their skills. Just be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. Once you get comfortable, the tools, customization, and data are hard to beat for a free platform. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.